Welcome to the enchanting streets of Dublin, a city that captivates with its rich history, vibrant culture, and warm Irish spirit. In this immersive journey, we'll explore the hidden corners and iconic landmarks that make Dublin's streets truly come alive. Our adventure begins at the iconic Merchant's Arch, a gateway to Dublin's vibrant heart. Stepping through this historical landmark, we enter a world where past and present seamlessly merge, where the echoes of centuries dance with the rhythm of modern life. Now let's go to the Halfpenny Bridge. Welcome to the Halfpenny Bridge, a historic gem nestled in the heart of Dublin. With its graceful arches and timeless elegance, this beloved pedestrian bridge carries with it a fascinating story of the city's past. Built in 1816, the Halfpenny Bridge has stood witness to the changing tides of time. Originally known as the Liffey Bridge, it was the first iron bridge to span the River Liffey, serving as a vital link between the bustling north and south sides of Dublin. In its early years, crossing the bridge came at a small cost of half a penny, giving rise to its endearing nickname, the Halfpenny Bridge. The toll booth, which once stood proudly at its entrance, became an iconic symbol of Dublin's history. The Halfpenny Bridge's intricate ironwork is a testament to the craftsmanship of its time. Now let's further explore the city streets of Dublin. Dublin's streets are alive with stories waiting to be unearthed. As we traverse the cobblestone pathways, we encounter grandeur and majesty at every turn. Dublin's history is a tapestry woven with the threads of ancient origins, Viking settlements, Norman conquests, colonial struggles, literary brilliance, and a resilient spirit that has shaped the city into what it is today. The story of Dublin begins over 1,000 years ago when it was founded as a Viking settlement known as Dublin, meaning Black Pool. The Vikings established a bustling trading port along the River Liffey, leaving their mark on the city's streets and culture. Dublin grew in importance as a centre of commerce and political power, eventually becoming the capital of Ireland. In the 12th century, Dublin was conquered by the Normans, led by Strongbow and King Henry II of England. They established Dublin Castle as a symbol of their authority and introduced their feudal system. The Normans built impressive stone structures, such as Christ Church Cathedral and St. Patrick's Cathedral, which still stand today as enduring symbols of Dublin's medieval heritage. Dublin experienced periods of prosperity and turmoil throughout the centuries. The city faced multiple invasions, including those by the English and subsequent English colonization. The Tudor and Stuart periods brought significant changes and political upheavals, With Dublin becoming a centre of English control and administration in Ireland, Dublin played a pivotal role in Ireland's struggle for independence. The 1916 Easter Rising, led by Irish Republicans, took place in the heart of the city at the General Post Office, GPO. The Rising marked a turning point in Irish history, leading to the War of Independence and eventually the establishment of the Irish Free State. The city's streets and neighborhoods have witnessed the joys and struggles of its inhabitants. Dublin has been home to many renowned writers, including James Joyce, Oscar Wilde, and Jonathan Swift, who drew inspiration from the city's streets, pubs, and people. Their literary works have left an indelible mark on Dublin's cultural identity. In recent decades, Dublin has experienced a resurgence and transformation. It has become a hub for technology and innovation, earning the nickname Silicon Docks. The city streets now showcase a blend of historic Georgian architecture, modern skyscrapers, vibrant street art, and a thriving cultural scene. Today, Dublin is a cosmopolitan city that embraces its history while looking towards the future. Its streets are lined with traditional pubs, where lively music sessions and storytelling still thrive, alongside Michelin-starred restaurants, bustling markets, and world-class museums. Dublin's rich history and dynamic present make it a captivating destination that continues to enchant visitors from around the globe. Dublin's streets are a sanctuary for art and culture. Immerse yourself in the masterpieces that grace the walls of the National Gallery of Ireland. Feel the vibrancy of the stage at the iconic Abbey Theatre, a hallowed ground for theatrical innovation that has nurtured the talents of renowned playwrights. Dublin's streets have long been synonymous with conviviality and storytelling. Enter the hallowed doors of the Brazen Head, Ireland's oldest pub, and soak in the atmosphere that has welcomed locals and visitors alike for centuries. Marvel at the imposing Dublin Castle, witness the splendor of St. Patrick's Cathedral, and discover the secrets hidden within the walls of Trinity College. But Dublin is not just about its historic landmarks. Its streets pulse with energy and color, where vibrant markets overflow with tantalizing aromas and local artisans showcase their crafts. Lose yourself in the vibrant hustle and bustle of Grafton Street, where music fills the air and shoppers revel in the unique treasures on display. Beyond the hustle of the city center, Dublin's streets reveal charming neighborhoods and hidden gems. Wander through the atmospheric alleys of Temple Bar, where history and creativity intertwine. Step into a traditional pub, where locals gather to share stories, laughter, and a pint of the world-famous Guinness. Experience the lively spirit of Temple Bar, where traditional pubs and vibrant nightlife create an electric ambience. Dublin streets have nurtured some of the world's greatest literary minds. From the birthplace of James Joyce to the stomping grounds of Oscar Wilde, the city's rich literary heritage permeates every corner. Explore the places that inspired these literary giants and immerse yourself in the words that have shaped generations. At the Rock Museum, history comes alive through interactive displays and cutting-edge technology. Strap on a virtual reality headset and find yourself on stage alongside legendary rock bands. Take a trip down memory lane as you explore the evolution of rock through the decades, from the rebellious spirit of the 60s to the explosive energy of the 80s and beyond. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about the content, visit our website and read our article on the subject to get more information. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss when we publish something new. Here are suggestions for a video and playlist that we think would be interesting for you. Take care. See you in another video.